Hey everyone, if you're using Glasp to study or learn new skills, keeping your learning materials organized can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to organize learning materials in Glasp step by step. First, sign in to your Glasp account and open your library. This is where all of your saved highlights, notes, and learning resources are stored in one place. Next, start saving important highlights from articles, PDFs, and supported YouTube videos. Yeah, every highlight is automatically added to your library, making it easy to build your personal knowledge base. After saving your highlights, add notes with summaries, explanations, or key takeaways. Writing your own notes helps you understand the material better and makes reviewing much easier later. To keep everything organized, use tags or collections whenever they're available. You can group your learning materials by subject, course, project, or any category that fits your workflow. You can also use the search feature to quickly find specific highlights or notes by keyword, instead of searching through every saved resource manually. Make it a habit to review your library regularly. Update your notes, remove outdated information, and continue organizing new learning materials as your collection grows. And that's it. Now you know how to organize learning materials in Glasp and keep all your study resources neatly organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching.